Today I'm diving into the surprising question. Can a car accident actually mess with your credit score? Let's find out. Car accidents are stressful enough with the physical and emotional toll they take, but the financial impact can linger long after the incident. Understanding how a car accident might affect your credit score is crucial for managing your financial health. Many people think that car accidents only affect their insurance rates and physical health, but not their credit scores. It's a common misconception that couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is more complex. People often overlook the financial ripple effects that can follow an accident. Medical bills, repair costs, and increased insurance premiums can all have a significant impact on your finances. A car accident can indirectly impact your credit score in several ways. Unpaid medical bills can be sent to collections, which can significantly lower your credit score. If you're unable to pay your bills on time, it can lead to debt, which can further damage your credit. Increased debt can also lead to credit utilization issues, which can negatively affect your credit score. Missed payments on your car loan or other debts can also hurt your credit. While a car accident itself may not directly lower your credit score, the financial consequences can lead to credit issues. It's essential to manage your finances carefully after an accident to avoid these pitfalls. Keeping track of your expenses and making timely payments can help protect your credit score. Being proactive about your financial situation can make a big difference in the long run. In summary, a car accident can have a significant impact on your credit score, but it's not the accident itself that's the problem. It's the financial consequences that can follow. By understanding these risks and taking steps to manage your finances, you can protect your credit score. If you've had a car accident and are worried about your credit score, share your experience in the comments below. Also, check out my other videos on credit management for more tips on how to keep your finances on track.